Now welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. We're here today in Magallanes Village, Makati City. Let's go. Now this property is a Mediterranean-style 5-bedroom house and lot for sale. Right now we just have some construction going on nearby, that's why you hear these sounds. But you'll see how well built the house is. It's quite quiet once you come inside. Now on this side, you have a garden area, space enough for a grotto. And then on the other side, you have a parking area, good enough for one large vehicle. And then you have access here towards the side of the house. You have a storage area over here. You have access towards the main living area, towards the dining space here. And then this is a driver's room. In terms of the size of the property, it has a lot area of 353 square meters, a floor area of about 332 square meters, and in terms of the developed area, meaning the entire lot area plus the second floor, it's approximately about 500 square meters. Now, you have this elevated area here, access towards the side of the house, a nice patio space here at the front, and here you have your main door. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You're welcomed by an open living space. You have a high ceiling area here, which gives you a view of a beautiful mural on the other side. This area is very well ventilated, quite open, and this is excellent for having, of course, your living area here. Very well lit with these large windows, also consistent with the Mediterranean style. I love the door design here. The flooring also is low maintenance and has a very warm and earthy feel. And from your living space, you see there's an open area here that extends all the way to the other side of the house. So it gives you that feeling of so much space. And you also have a high ceiling also with a wooden design, which complements the color of the flooring. On this side, you have access towards your parking area. And then here, you have your powder room. This is one of the things that I loved about this house. Look at this angle. If you stand over there, here's another perspective of the living space. And as you turn on this side, this archway welcomes you towards your open dining space. You see it's spacious enough to have a table for 10 people. Once again, the high ceiling is consistent for this space. You have identical ceiling fans for the living area. And here for the dining space. And then you have this curved wall over here, giving you a feeling of an enlarged space. Well lit also from both sides. And on the other side, your dining area opens up to a patio space. This has a very old world charm, very calm and relaxing. It almost feels like you're in a different country because of the designs along the walls. You have access here towards the side of the house, towards the front. And then from this angle, you can better appreciate the size of the space. This is excellent if you have family gatherings also. And here's another perspective. You see how the whole area opens up towards your dining space. And then you have access on the other side towards the back of the house. Right now they have some pets there. Okay, let's head on in. These archways also are consistent with the Mediterranean theme. And here we have your main kitchen. So your kitchen area was remodeled also to have a more modern feel, but still it's quite minimalist with the white motif. And you have this large window here and countertop area with the marble design. Very functional. And on the other side, you have access towards a service area. Let's take a quick look. So here, you have a service area at the back of the house for laundry and heavy washing. And let's head back in. Heading in terms of functionality, you have your maid's quarters here, the maid's bathroom, and this is your storage room. Okay. And here's a view again of your dining area. Now let's head on upstairs where you have 5 rooms. Check out the design of the steps with the tile and even with the colored glass for the staircase. Let's go. The second level is about 182 square meters. The ground level is about 150 square meters. And they maximize the entire space. And you'll see why later, especially once we get to the master bedroom. But let's begin first with the room over here. So the property is currently occupied. So we're not going to go into the first bathroom here because we have some personal items, but it has a shower area also. And you can potentially open this up because you have a Juliet balcony here at the front of the house. So I'm just standing here so you have an idea on the size. Okay. Then after the first room, on the other side, you have your second room. So I'm standing here. It's a corner room with 2 windows facing the front of the house. This is a shared bathroom between the second room and the third room. It has a very cool and classic design and an enclosed bath area. And then here we have the third room. So all the rooms are well lit. And then let's head on here. Now, this is one of my favorite parts of the house, the library. It has such a cool vibe because of this wall here with a mural. And then you have this wall of knowledge here. And there's room enough here for a table and a couple of chairs to make this just a study area potentially. And has a great view of your living space. And then this side area is maximized to have storage. So your entire hallway here is maximized. Now we're here at the fourth room. This is the second to the largest room in the house. Cool bay window area here. Nice seating space. And you have an ensuite bathroom. And then on the other side, you have a walk-in closet space here. There are plenty of personal items, so we can't look at it right now, but we'd love to show you if you'd like to have an in-person tour of the home. And here we have your primary bedroom. This is a very unique room, and you'll see why. First of all, you have this high ceiling space. Plenty of space for a king, queen-sized bed. You can keep this or potentially get your own. And look at this. It has a mezzanine space. Let's get on up here. So you have your own seating area, lounge space here in your master bedroom, and it even gives you a view of your bed area from here. Cool design. This is a very different layout from most master bedrooms that we've toured. And on this side, you have an additional walk-in closet space. This is spacious. You have an area over here. I like that it has windows. So there's natural lighting here. And then it curves all the way here to the other side. So you have additional storage all the way here. And then on this side, you have your bath area. And a very pleasant floral design for the tiles. There. And then an enclosed shower area and your water closet. Okay? Here's another view. And that ends our quick tour. To summarize, this house has 5 bedrooms, a lot area of 353 square meters, a floor area of 332 square meters, and a developed area of approximately 500 square meters here in Magallanes Village, Makati City, 5 minutes from South Luzon Expressway and EDSA. Now, if you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. If you also want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. And if you have a property that you'd like to feature through our channel, just send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.